So.
But all in all, this is a total epic failure video.
I thought.
So, just remember, if you want to start your own YouTube channel, this is how to fail at it. Welcome back, Jammers. It's been a few weeks. We took a couple weeks off for the holidays, got refreshed, but we did work ahead to drop some videos on you guys while we were off.
I know, wasn't that so nice of us?
It was pretty awesome. Got to spend some time with some of our super huge fans down in Florida.
I know, that was pretty cool. See some pictures.
Pretty awesome. They were pretty excited. I loved it, had a good time.
Yeah.
We also got some new stuff.
We did.
Like?
We have some merch, like legit merch. We had a store before, but now we actually have a store on our website.
What? Wait, we have a website?
Yes, that too. Did I not
What?
say that?
We didn't tell them that.
Oh, jmrrebuilders.com. Go there.
Check us out.
You can check out merch. There you go, buddy.
Remember, safety first. Always cut towards you.
No, the exact opposite of that.
Whoops.
And you cut into it. Like,
what
if you cut the shirt?
I hope I didn't cut your shirt.
I hope you didn't cut your shirt.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. We got, whoa, we got.
I think that's the one, I think that's you.
2XL. Because I'm the fat guy.
You open yours.
Wait for it.
That looks awesome. I love it.
Isn't
That's
that
so great, right?
cool? That is
love
so
it.
great.
Cool. Well, we have these also in single-sided, so if you don't want to advertise our YouTube channel, you can get just the front.
What? Plain back? Awesome front.
That looks good.
Looks a lot better than the last ones.
Right?
A lot better than the last one.
I feel really good about selling these.
You can't see the gear, but other than that.
Hey, well, it's a black shirt. There's lots of colors. We intentionally put some really, as cheap as I could get them, shirts like this on the website.
Plus,
I think they're like 15 bucks. And then if you want a different color, like red or the army green or marine green, then I think they're like 17. So pretty cool.
Well,
so we appreciate you guys supporting us a ton, all right?
check them out. jmrrebuilders.com.
All right, cool. Well, we need to change.
We gotta put these on.
Yeah, here, I'll take this one.
All right, let's do this.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Sweet. They're
Check it out.
They're pretty nice.
I love it.
I'm pretty happy with them.
Pretty happy, pretty stoked. I like the fit of the shirt. The last shirts were kind of cheap feeling.
Man, these are really comfy for sure.
Yeah, I like it.
Cool. Well, Ryan, why don't you tell everybody what we're gonna do today?
Today, guys, we're gonna try to work on the body of the truck, get some dents removed, get the black looking decent.
We'll just see how funny Ryan is.
And I mean, have you seen my shirt?
All right, let's get to it.
All right, guys. First, we're gonna do the Forever Black. You gotta do the cleaner. Then, I don't know what they call paint. It's reconditioner. So, let's start by getting this mixed.
Cool. How do we mix it, Ryan? What's the instructions?
They say a half gallon of water, and then the whole contents, which is 4 ounces. So, we'll see. All right.
Ryan, I've never done this before. What's the idea? You just brush it on and wipe it off, or what?
No, you don't wipe it off. I mean, you just leave it on there, and it just reconditions it. I mean, that's the whole point. You just
So it's literally like
squeeze a small amount of Forever Black bumper trim and conditioner onto applicator brush. Apply an even coat of reconditioner over the desired area for best results. Keep applicator saturated. Dries in 15 to 20 minutes. Well, let's see.
Set the timer. What does it say about getting this on the windows? Obviously, that's gonna happen.
You definitely don't want to get it on you. Apparently, you'll stay forever black. Which, I mean, maybe a good thing. I don't know. Just depends, I guess.
Hey, Ryan.
Yeah.
What happened to your other jammer shirt?
I got black stuff on it. You guys may have seen a video we just dropped recently of a truck bed spray.
Uh-huh.
I got a little close with the belly area to the body of the truck.
And you got a big round
Just in one spot, though, the part that protrudes the most from my body. It's kind of a bad situation.
So as long as we keep the black up
Away
above,
from the protruding area of my body,
then we're good to go.
we'll be all right.
Man, we've learned. Well, we tried a light coat and that didn't seem to work very well, so we're kind of going a little thicker.
I erred on the side of gentle and light.
Well, you went against your nature, didn't you? Well, we were just talking about why in the world you're doing this.
Yes, because this is not me. This is why you're a part of this show. You are the beautificator.
No.
I am not. I mean, look, I already got it all over my fingers.
Yeah. Oops.
Ryan was here. Gotta love it. All right.
You know, if we were smart, Ryan,
We would have taped it.
no, we would have rolled the window down.
Yeah, that would have been good. Except for the battery's already dead again. Someone decided to shut the truck off.
Well, we can't have the truck running when we're doing a video, Ryan. That's all people hear
Is it like a rule of YouTube? You can't
It-
have a video with a car running?
I know, but it's constantly running. It's annoying.
I'm sorry, I'm not a
You're not a what?
video editing professional. I barely can leave a brush on a... Okay, I'm over it. So, I don't really eat vegetables at all. So
Why?
why waste your life eating vegetables when you can fill your gut with meat?
But you say that you get your
Yeah,
vegetables.
so I'm a secondary vegetarian, is what I call it, secondary vegetarian. So basically the animals I consume are prey animals because they're weaker. And they mostly eat grains and fruits, berries, those things that you would find throughout the woods or whatever, or grass. So they consume the vegetables or crap that stuff I wouldn't eat,
Yes,
and then I consume them. So I'm a secondary vegetarian.
that makes tons of sense.
Yeah.
They also eat their own poop. So does that mean you're eating their poop?
I mean, if it tastes good.
All right, I just want to point out some directions here on this. Right here it says, to prevent staining of your hands, wear rubber or latex gloves.
What? No stains? I did clean them.
Well, here we are, we did our Forever Black, and as you can see, it's fairly dry and very streaky. I just did the left-hand side. The right-hand side only has one coat on it. Man, you can sure tell a difference between the two. So, I don't know. We're gonna maybe try some sandpaper, like some 3000 grit, and see if it makes any difference. You can give it a try, Ryan?
Yeah, this is...
Maybe on this side here?
Yeah.
I guess we should tell everybody what happened, huh?
This is a pretty defeating episode. The product didn't work quite like we expected. I used it before on a bumper, but the bumper was porous or textured.
Yeah.
And these side pieces here are not textured, they're smooth, and so it's just showing the streaks, it's showing everything.
Yeah. So, well, we thought, let me rephrase. I thought, oh, we'll just put another thicker coat on, maybe it'll kind of even out. I think it's worse.
It got way worse.
It's worse.
So I had to then sand it all down, get it all off. I mean, The part is back to what it looked like before we ruined it, so that's good.
Before we ruined it. Yeah, I think it looks better. And then we put about 3 coats on here, and honestly, there's not a lot of, I don't know. It's not really a big noticeable difference, in my opinion. It's maybe a little better, but... So.
But all in all, this is a total epic failure video.
High five.
So, just remember, if you want to start your own YouTube channel, this is how to fail at it.
Well, hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Over here on the left, there are going to be 2 little boxes that are going to pop up. One up here, one down here. One is for the playlist for this truck. Watch all those videos. We would love if you watched all of them. They're so great. 3 times. Yes. And we have more videos coming. And then down below, if you want to just watch last week's, it's going to be there too. And you can also subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Jammer Nation!